Thank you everyone for taking a moment of your day to watch my unboxing of the new LG XBOOM Go Bluetooth speaker. I'd like to say thank you to the insiders for giving me an opportunity to product review and put my personal opinions and thoughts on LG's latest Bluetooth speaker. Please continue to chime in as the weeks continue on. I will continue to post pictures or videos about this Bluetooth speaker, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. Again, thank you again, and I hope you enjoy the video. Well, that was my unboxing of LG's XBOOM Go Bluetooth speaker. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, as weeks go on, I will continue to post content about this speaker. Hope you enjoyed it, and please stay tuned.